Heartbeat, heartbeat. Oh, you got a beautiful heartbeat. Beautiful heartbeat. Beautiful heartbeat. You got a beautiful heartbeat. Look, see, she was about 5'7", brown skin, straight 10. The baddest in the city and the finest of her friends. Baby girl is fine, I ain't talking emotion. I let her ride the ride, baby girl roller coastin'. It's over, gotta let the side chicks go. She rides my highs every time I feel low.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bianca here with another video. Yay! Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. If you guys are new here, that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, that you like, you comment, please make sure that you guys are following me on all of my social media handles, which I will list right here. So today we are going to be doing a review on the I Am Magic Loose Setting Powder from JUVIA'S in the color Kalari. Let's get started. I haven't done a review in a long time, and you guys know I give you all the good. Oh, I know, Bianca, please stop. You're embarrassing me. The I Am Magic Loose Setting Powder comes in 5 different shades, and the 5 different shades include Sahara, Namib, Gobi, Kalari, and White Sand. Alright guys, so since this is not really a video based off of the whole makeup look, it really is just a review, I'm going to skip past a few things. So we're here, and then I want to skip this part too. I'm gonna skip this part too because, like I said, you've seen it a million times, so let's skip this part too. Now we're going to apply the JUVIA'S I Am Magic Loose Setting Powder. My brush is really soft. Y'all know I like to cake this on. How does it feel? I would say that it's really soft, very smooth. You guys know I like to put on a lot. I'm probably looking really crazy right now, but it works for me, so it's Gucci. It feels like literally I'm not wearing anything. And I worn this before, guys, and honestly, it is pretty wearable. This has been my go-to for like a little over a month. No, I'm lying. I just got it maybe like a week and a half ago. 2 weeks ago. Excuse me while I contour really quickly. It's like so hard for me to talk and do this at the same time. This is the final look. I like it. I think it looks pretty. I think it looks flawless. I think it's giving me what I needed to give. And so I'm here for it. I'm here for the look or whatever. You know when they say when you look good, you feel good? And I look good right now. And I feel good right now. Thanks, JUVIA'S. The price for this setting powder is $12 on the JUVIA'S website. For instance, I had to buy it from Ulta because, like I said, I didn't have time to order a setting powder. Otherwise, I would have gotten the one that I normally get. And when I went to Ulta, I paid like $14, but with tax and everything, it came up to be about like $15. And with shipping for JUVIA'S, it comes up to be about $15 as well. So, you know, either way, wherever you get it, it's still a good price from either place. Just if you have an Ulta near you, it's like so easier to just go in there and get it, which is like bomb.com. So if we're looking for melanated brands, guys, I have tried some setting powder. It gives something, but I'm not really happy with it. You wear it and then you take a picture or something like that, and you see the picture and you're like, bro, I look like a ghost. Hits this picture right here, I look like a bad. I already told you guys the price. I told you guys already how it feels. That's it for my video today, guys. Thank you for joining me. Please make sure that you like. Please make sure that you comment. Please make sure that you subscribe. And tell your friends, guys, if you feel like it was helpful. Bye. Thank you.
She boosts my pride every time it seems to go. Oh my God, what a prize, let us behold. She the queen of all queens, that's how it seems. Every time she in the room, she don't blink. She gotta keep a goal focus, one thing you don't notice. You my flavor, not come and pour it all on me, baby. I enjoy happiness, and I enjoy love, and I enjoy. Just give me your flavor, we gon' mix it up, See, I enjoy everything, and I enjoy life, and I enjoy. Just give me your flavor, and we gon' be alright. Beautiful heartbeat, beautiful heartbeat. Oh, you got a beautiful heartbeat.